C'est des rencontres. Ici, la rencontre à Madère de deux projets complémentaires. 4 matelots pleins d'énergie qui réalisent un tour de l'Atlantique autour de l'accès à l'énergie et Ecodici, lancé dans une transat pour mettre en valeur des solutions pour un avenir durable.
De cette rencontre est née une amitié et un projet commun. La visite d'El Hierro, une île pionnière dans l'autonomie en énergie renouvelable. Cette île, la plus isolée de l'archipel des Canaries, a développé un système ingénieux couplant des éoliennes et une centrale hydroélectrique.
We decided to produce with these two renewable energy because it was the best option in the island. This is a windy island and at the same time it's really hot island. So the combination of these two different renewable energy can solve the solution of the instability of the wind. Now the windmills are irregular. We cannot control the wind. And thanks to the storage of the water in the upper reservoir in the middle of the mountain, we can control it one instability. Now, with two different renewable ways, we are doing something stable, and something that it's easy to control it and it's easy to produce and in the safe way.
El Hierro, c'est une petite île de 270 km² pour seulement 10 000 habitants, mais qui compte sur sa centrale de désalinisation pour les alimenter en eau douce, une centrale qui est très énergivore. Le principe est le suivant. Un bassin au niveau de la mer, un deuxième à 700 mètres d'altitude, reliés par 2 conduits. Lorsque le vent souffle, 5 éoliennes produisent de l'électricité et alimentent l'île. Le surplus d'énergie est utilisé pour pomper l'eau vers le bassin d'altitude. Les jours où le vent est insuffisant, l'eau stockée dans le bassin d'altitude est relâchée et par gravité fait tourner les turbines de la centrale hydroélectrique, qui se supplée alors aux éoliennes pour alimenter l'île. L'eau retourne ensuite dans le bassin au niveau de la mer, le cycle se répétant au gré du vent.
We are and we have demonstrated. Depend of the year, depend of the period of the year, it's true that we are in best condition or in worse condition. No? For example, right now in July, we supply the 97% of the consumption of the island. We are producing the 100% of the electricity consumption of the island during 25 days. It's true that in other period of the year, we are more limited because we depend a lot from the wind. But we have done and we hope that improve and not depend of the diesel anymore, or at least depends step by step a little bit less each year. And now we are in a period where we are working at the same time the two plants. One renewable is Coronel Viento and one diesel plant that it has been working here for 14-50 years. Now, depending on the period of the year, most of the time are working both at the same time. When we can do it, in the best moment, we produce without diesel. And in the worst moment, we produce more with the diesel, with the renewable. What is the challenge? That in the next year, that mix with renewable and diesel start to be much bigger with renewable than with the diesel. At the beginning, they were a little bit afraid. The main industry in the island is the agriculture, the animals and that. Then tell to the people that now we make the first island 100% renewable, it sounds strange. Now, nowadays, after 2015, when we start to produce energy, when we start to do 100% hours and hours, and all the journalists came here, they saw that the project was real and it's something that put the island of El Hierro in the worldwide. People start to feel more confident. Also here, of course, all the people that works here are people from El Hierro. This is the question. The percentage of integration of renewable has increased every year. We feel that we can improve a little bit more, but it's true that one moment we will need to improve what is done. This is the idea, maybe one reservoir, maybe one mills, the electrical car. This is the innovation, the Corona 2.0. Since 1 or 2 years ago, we have been working in that way. We have 10 or 11 different points, and also we are working with the university to make something popular with the student, with the population, and also, of course, with Technical Institute. And then we are going to decide it, and we will see what is the next steps that we have to work.
Le projet de centrale hydro-éolienne d'El Hierro est précurseur dans le domaine des énergies alternatives. Il reste perfectible, mais ne cesse d'améliorer ses résultats d'année en année, faisant de grands pas vers l'autonomie énergétique de l'île.
Chacun reprend sa route à présent. Les 4 matelots voguent vers le Sénégal, où ils vont installer des panneaux solaires dans un poste de santé. Ecodici repart vers d'autres projets aux Canaries, puis prendra la route pour le Cap-Vert.